For me, I think my Igbo is beautiful for so many reasons, but I'll just be specific. I think for me, my Igbo is beautiful just because of its people. The people make the culture great. The people are just so energetic, so happy, so exuberant, so hardworking, so beautiful, so intelligent. The Igbo people are just leaving their marks in every field they touch in diaspora and back home and in everything that it's like a wildfire that's spreading on everyone. It's just family people. There's nothing you can just say. It's Chibuzo Prince Kalu, and my Igbo is so beautiful. Follow me on Igbo,